Hello children, for today's phonics lesson, you're going to learn about the words with sound at the beginning of the words but spelled as KN. N sounds but spelled as KN. KN spelled in the beginning but sounds as hmm. Therefore, we're going to have a silent K sounds. We are not going to pronounce or we will not sound letter K in the beginning. Example, knock, 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 night, night, not, not, neat, 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 knee, 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 knoll, 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 nub, nub, nub. Repeat the sound. Hmm. 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 Hmm.